Hi everyone, it's Gloria.
And I'm Chris.
Meow.
This is Now My Job, where the two of us step out of our comfort zone and do something that's, well, not our jobs. So today I'm up first and I'm learning how to dissect a chicken from Chris.
Break down a chicken.
Okay, whatever.
Let's get into it.
First things first, here's what we're going to need. A cutting board. Preferably something plastic because bacteria can easily enter the pores of a wooden cutting board. And make sure it's big enough for the chicken. Secondly, we're obviously going to need a knife. Now this particular knife is a boning knife. Its job is literally just to break down whole animals. Make sure the knife is small enough because a big knife will make it hard to get around the bones. Third, get yourself a towel or a rag and wet it in the sink. We'll get to the why later. Now fourth, we'll need a pot for the carcass because, well, we're going to be using the carcass to make chicken stock. But if you don't want to make stock, then the carcass can go straight into the garbage. And obviously, you'll need a whole chicken.
Okay, tell me what to do.
So first thing, Gloria is going to take the towel that's already been wet. She's going to put it down.
That's our cat. They can smell the chicken from here. And then
Put the cutting board on top. Because what that's going to do is it's going to prevent the board from slipping.
okay, this is how you know I don't hold knives very often.
Definitely not. Definitely not. Alright, so first thing you want to do is put both legs in front of you.
Okay.
So appropriate.
Uh-huh.
Alright, then you're going to take the leg.
Uh-huh.
So the skin right there, that's in between
This
the leg
part?
and the breast, yep.
Uh-huh.
That's where you're going to start cutting.
It was at this moment she knew she fucked up.
Yeah. If you want to start on that side.
Okay.
Just cut the skin, that's it.
Uh-huh.
Right? Just to expose the meat a little bit, right? Now what you're gonna do is grab, you can put the knife down. Grab the whole thigh and leg.
Like up down to here?
Yep. And then you're basically gonna bend the whole thigh back until you hear it snap.
Let's see where this bone pops up.
Perfect. So right there, that's where you're gonna take the knife and that's where you're gonna make your incision.
By the bone or through this whole part?
Do the whole thing.
What about this bone? Right.
Well, you wanna cut around it.
Like over or
No,
under?
around it, yeah, under it. So right now we're just gonna take apart the thigh and the leg.
Like
Perfect.
this?
And if it doesn't go in that easy, then you're probably hitting the bone. Perfect. So you're gonna do the same thing for the other side.
So cut open the skin.
Yep, just so you expose it.
Just the skin. And then pop it.
All the way back till you hear it pop. There you go, right
the
there.
bone.
You see the bone?
Yes. And then cut around it.
Perfect.
Oh, it's easier than I thought.
Now, for those who don't know, as we said before, Gloria is a skincare chemist. She does not cook often.
I have not. I haven't done this ever.
She's never broken down anything. So
Ground meat is my specialty.
that's 100% true. So now if you pick up the leg and the thigh with two hands and start wiggling it, and you're gonna kind of see where the joint is, right? And that's where you want, no, you don't want to break that.
Oh, no?
You want to make just a small cut with the knife.
Like here?
Yep. Like
Like-
where you think, because you were bending it before,
Uh-huh.
you kind of see where the joint might be, so you make a small cut.
Uh-huh, like here.
Try to cut a little bit more around on this side and this side. Good. Now take it and bend it back.
This way or this way?
That way.
Huh?
Yeah, that
First way?
way. No, the other way.
This way?
You want to bend it the way that it's not supposed to be bent. There you go. There you go. You hear a crack? Now you see the bone exposed?
Yeah.
Now we cut in between that.
Like this?
Perfect.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright. Makes a small cut.
Also, another thing too is every time you
Another
use,
thing, too.
anytime you're using the boning knife, always try to use the tip of the knife more rather than the middle.
I see the bone, so I can just cut
Yeah,
directly.
if you see it, cut it.
So that's just to see where the bone is.
Yep. You'll see a lot of people with butcher's knives, really big cleavers, and all they do is just chop right through it, which is fine. But the only problem with that is if you don't get where the joint is and you hit the bone, you chance all the shards go into the meat.
All right.
Now we have perfect thigh, leg. Next is gonna be wings. Flip it over. Now this is basically be the same thing. You see right here where the joint is.
Yeah.
So you take it, bend it back.
Just do it.
Yep, you're gonna break it.
Ooh. Yeah.
When Gloria can't do a lot of things, she
Ah!
makes noises.
Yeah. It's very cartilagey.
Okay. So then take the knife.
Uh-huh.
Just make a small incision. That's it. There you go. See it?
See, I see the bone.
All right. You see the bone?
I see the bone. Wait, but does that mean I cut through the bone, or this, like right
Well, you
here,
cut-
or right here around
Well,
it?
you want to try to cut where the joint connects.
Oh no, that's wrong. Oh no.
So cut a little bit more here, just expose it. So you want to just keep making those slits, just to expose.
Oh, I see. So this is where the connection
Okay.
is. So then I...
Perfect. And now the breast, which is usually the hardest part.
Okay.
So appropriate.
Now what?
Okay.
Flip it over?
Now this is the back. Yep. Now we want to flip it over.
Okay.
Now down the middle, down the breastplate, there's a bone.
I feel it.
All right. Now you want to take the tip of your knife and just make a small little slit down. It doesn't have to be the first cut. You can make multiple passes. Now eventually the knife will go to one side, and whatever side it goes, that's going to be your first breast. Do you feel it going on one side?
Yes. I
Okay.
think it's this
Now what you want to do is, now if it's going to be, is it this side?
side. Yeah.
Okay, now flip the chicken over. Now you want to peel back with your left hand and make small little cuts along the bone, the carcass,
So...
using the tip. Use the tip.
Okay.
Just little slits, little slits. You don't want to saw.
Uh-huh.
You just want to make little slits. There you go. Pull as you cut. Because if you feel the bone over here, flip the knife over.
Like this?
Yep.
And then go up?
Yep, and get in there, and then cut away from you.
Ooh, that feels dangerous. Ooh.
If it's not an easy cut, then you're probably cutting bone.
Okay.
Now you can flip the knife back over and continue your cutting.
No. Oh, okay, I see. What about this part? Do I disconnect it?
Yeah, you can disconnect that. Don't make it easy.
And here too?
Yep. Flip it over. There you go. Jab it in. Cut it out.
Geek.
Slice.
Slice. I am not very good at this. Okay, got it. Now back to business here.
Okay, now take the breast, whole breast, flip it over this way. Now cut from the bottom out this way. So now you see the bone?
Yeah.
Same thing, try to pull the chicken away as you cut.
So there's a lot of improvisation going because this is my first chicken ever. Okay.
Keep on. Almost there.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's a breast.
Now you have a boneless breast. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Try to keep the skin on.
Oh, sorry. Oh, it's kind of hanging by a thread.
Now flip it over. I want you to look at one part. Now you see this little piece right there. Pull that out.
What?
Pull that out. Like this whole piece right here.
This whole piece?
Yep.
Oh.
No, don't cut. Just pull. Pull it out. Pull off.
Pull it off? Oh.
Now this is the filet mignon of the chicken breast. When you make chicken tenders, that's a chicken tender. Now you know where the bone is.
Yeah.
you want to try to slit down the other side of the bone.
Okay. Oi, oi vey. Aha. Oh, it's peeling right off. I think that's it, my friend.
That's it.
That's it. That is actually a better breast than the other side.
See? Now the carcass can go right in.
We're not gonna pull out the butt. The butt's my favorite part. Okay, fine. And that's it.
And that's it. Now display it all out.
Breast uno. Breast dos. Tender one. Tender two. Wing. Wing. Thigh. Thigh.
Not bad.